We are pleased to show you 2006 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, electronic brake force distribution, daytime running lights, overhead console, tachometer, child seat anchors, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.